Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. And today I got this small device. This is actually a magnetic monitor phone mount. So pretty much this mount fixed on the back side of your laptop, and it and then you can actually put your smartphone beside your laptop. So as you can see that I have already put it here. So this is my laptop, and here is the mount which I put it. So what you can do is that you can actually put your mobile like this. So that's actually a good thing because you know uh, you can see at your mobile and the laptop at the same time. So that's the advantage of this. And if your mm, mobile don't have like a magnetic substance, then they have also given these two like metallic circles. So what you can do is that you can just stick it here or here, whatever is comfortable, and then you know it is going to stick, because you can see that the magnetic power of this particular metal piece is very very strong. So you can attach this to your like whatever device you want, and just stick it just like here, and then you will be able to just put your mobile like this. So that's how it works, and it's really handy. This is movable, so when you're not using it, you can just do it like this. And it's not very big, it's very small, I would say that. As you can see that my laptop is a bit big, but you know this is how it look like once you stick it to the back side of your laptop, and then you can extend it like this. So that's how it works. And it's not very costly device, just cost you like $5 if you go to online shop or to any physical shop. I got it from the 5 and below here in US, but you can get elsewhere also. So yeah, this is what it is, and I think it's a small and handy device. If you're someone who use a lot of smartphone when you use your laptop, this is, I think, a good thing to have. Since I do a lot of trading, stock trading during the daytime, I think it's really good for me that I can use my laptop as well as my smartphone at the same time without distracting, much distraction. So that's a good thing. So yeah, this is the magnetic monitor phone mount. Thank you so much for watching, and like, share and subscribe. Thanks.